Hello everybody and welcome to your 18th Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial, adding titles. In this tutorial, we will learn how to add a title to our sequence. So let's start. To add a title to our sequence, we must first go to the icon right next to the folder, that is the new item icon. Left click on it. You can see various options right here. Now we will talk about these later. What we need now is the title. So left click on it and then a new icon appears. Here you can name the title. Set its preferences same as you need them. Set the width and height and then click OK, and then a new window will appear. In this window we can go on and add titles to appear in our animation. So let's get started with it. What we have here is the toolbar. We have different tools we need in order to add any type of title that we want. The first is the selection tool. We can use this tool to make selections. For now we will be using the type tool, and as you can see, it will be used to type the title. Just left click anywhere on the screen to add the title and then type in any title that you wish. Now go and select the selection tool. Left click anywhere on the title and move it to get anywhere you want it to be. You can change the font type from over here. You can select any type of font that you want. This looks good. Let's just position it correctly. Bring down the size a bit. And here we have it. Now you can change the color of the text by selecting it left click once, and over here on the right you have the color option. Just left click on the color once. You can select any desired color you want to give to your text. Let's just leave it at white, or maybe slight blue tint. All right. Now we have completed our title. Now to add this title, just go on and close this window. And as you can see, we have the title name over here as tutorials. You can just drag the title and drop it on any of the video tracks, and then it will be added over here. Now we want the title to come before our images, so left click and select by dragging a box around the images, move them to the right, left click the title, bring it down, apply a basic transition, and then let's see how it ended up. As you can see, the title now comes up before our animation. So guys, that's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching.